guys, so today I will be doing a vlog. We are going shopping. So now we are in Ebina. We're getting something to eat. We're at this place called Dennis. I think it's an American restaurant that's here, like a franchise, something. I've never heard of it, but yeah, so shopping today, that's pretty much it, and then we go home. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. Today is the Emperor's birthday. So food is here. I ordered this spaghetti thing with, I think this is, no, I don't eat shrimp. This is beef, and this is like a potato salad. Fiona got this.
It's not no potato salad.
What is this then?
Oh, your salad?
Yeah, my thing. Look how much things Fiona ordered.
I'm hungry.
Jeez. This is some crab sandwich, something with shrimp. I do eat shrimp, and she got the smaller version of what I got. So yeah. So this is us. We look very greedy now. What is that?
Means let's eat. Itadakimasu.
Okay, let's eat. I'm gonna eat with chopstick. We had to get to-go boxes because we could not finish. As I was saying, I couldn't eat this off because it needs pepper, it needs something. So I don't want to eat anymore. Okay, so we are trying to find some cheap stores. So yeah, we're on the mall.
What size is it?
Well, it says small.
Well, I guess it's small because if that's small, then they don't have extra small.
It look big.
No.
With this one, it's very thick, and the whole idea of me buying this is because I want to be warm.
Yeah,
So,
but you going to have on additional clothes.
It's very ugly.
This one is very fancy, and you can wear it with, you know, a nice formal dress or something.
Yeah.
This one is, it can do the same, but it's just so ugly.
Yeah,
It has a very loud look.
This looks thick. Jeez. What for this? 5,000. Maybe it's on sale. Their toilet is completely different from what we are used to. Let me show you. So this is a typical toilet here with all of those buttons.